Welcome to Choice Champions. The best iconic London is probably one of the most talked about beauty brands right now, captivating makeup enthusiasts with its signature glow-enhancing products and luxurious appeal, promising to transform your everyday look into something truly extraordinary, making it a staple for anyone aiming for that coveted radiant finish without compromising on quality or ethical standards, and consistently delivering innovative formulas that stand out in a crowded market. Number 5. Julep Eyeshadow 101 Cream to Powder Waterproof Eyeshadow Stick. Discover effortless beauty with this innovative eyeshadow stick. It's designed for quick and flawless application. Experience its unique cream to powder formula. This ensures a smooth application that sets beautifully. Enjoy all day wear without worries. It's waterproof and stays put, keeping your look fresh. Easily build your desired intensity from subtle to dramatic. Plus, it resists creasing, maintaining a perfect finish. Achieve a radiant look with its beautiful champagne shimmer finish. It adds a touch of glamour to any style. Blend and define with ease using the convenient built-in smudger. It helps create versatile eye looks effortlessly. Feel good about your choice, as this product is cruelty-free. It's a responsible addition to your makeup collection. What we like. If you're always on the go and need a quick, flawless eye look, this is your best friend. Its waterproof formula ensures your shimmer stays put all day, and the built-in smudger makes blending a breeze. For effortless, long-lasting eye makeup, you should consider this. What people say. Number 4. Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Blurring Face Primer SPF 30. Discover your secret to flawless skin. It is designed to prepare your face for makeup, ensuring a perfect canvas every time. It effortlessly smooths fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a beautiful soft focus finish. Achieve that airbrushed look you've always wanted. Experience a primer that feels incredibly light on your skin while providing essential hydration. It won't weigh you down, just enhance your natural beauty. Beyond perfecting your complexion, it also offers vital SPF 30 sun protection. Keep your skin safe from harmful UV rays throughout the day. Formulated with mineral-based ingredients, it's gentle on your skin. Plus, you can feel good knowing it's a cruelty-free product. Apply it before your foundation for extended wear and a smoother application. It helps your makeup last longer and look impeccable. What we like. This primer is a game changer for achieving a flawless base with added benefits. It blurs imperfections and fine lines, giving your skin a soft focus finish, and includes SPF 30 for daily sun protection. If you're looking for a primer that perfects your skin while protecting it, you should consider this. What people say. Number 3. TIRTIR Mask Fit Makeup Fixer. Discover the secret to flawless, long-lasting makeup. This innovative fixer is designed to keep your look perfect all day, every day. Say goodbye to smudges and transfers. It creates an invisible barrier, ensuring your makeup stays exactly where it belongs for up to 24 hours. Experience a setting spray that feels like nothing at all. It's incredibly lightweight, so you'll barely notice it's there. Achieve a fresh, natural look without any sticky or greasy residue. This formula keeps your skin feeling comfortable and looking matte. As a powerful makeup setting spray, it locks in your foundation, concealer, and powders. It ensures your entire face remains picture-perfect from morning to night. Elevate your beauty routine with this essential product. It's the perfect finishing touch for any makeup look, ensuring lasting confidence. What we like. For makeup that truly lasts all day, even under a mask, this setting spray is essential. Its transfer-resistant formula keeps your look locked in for up to 24 hours without feeling heavy or greasy. If you need your makeup to stay put through anything, you should consider this. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to enable extraction of points. Number 2. Cinema Secrets Original Blue Vanilla Makeup Brush Cleaner Kit. Introducing the ultimate solution for your makeup brushes. This kit makes cleaning them simple and effective, ensuring they're always ready for your next application. Designed for professionals and beauty enthusiasts alike, it provides a deep clean. The included cleansing tin makes the process even more convenient and mess-free. No more waiting around for your brushes to dry. Its quick-dry formula means your tools are ready almost immediately after cleaning, saving you valuable time. Forget the hassle of rinsing. This innovative formula cleans thoroughly without the need for water, simplifying your cleaning routine significantly. Even the most stubborn waterproof makeup is no match for it. It effortlessly dissolves and removes all traces of product, leaving your brushes pristine. What we like. Keeping your brushes clean is crucial for flawless application, and this cleaner makes it incredibly easy. Its quick-dry, rinse-free formula means your brushes are ready to use almost instantly, even after removing stubborn waterproof makeup. If you want a fast and effective way to maintain your tools, you should consider this. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 1. Ogee Face Stick Crystal Collection Trio. Discover this exquisite collection, designed to elevate your makeup routine. It brings together essential tools for a radiant, sculpted look. You'll love its effortless application and stunning results. Achieve perfectly defined features with this contour stick makeup collection. Its creamy formulas blend seamlessly, allowing you to sculpt and enhance your face with ease. You'll notice a natural, refined finish every time. Experience beauty that's good for your skin and the planet. This palette is certified organic, ensuring pure, high-quality ingredients. It provides a luxurious feel without compromise. Add a sun-kissed glow with the included bronzer stick. It delivers natural warmth to your complexion, perfect for a healthy, radiant appearance. You'll find it incredibly easy to apply and blend. Brighten your cheeks with the vibrant blush stick. It provides a beautiful flush of color, giving you a fresh and youthful look. This stick blends seamlessly for a natural finish. Illuminate your best features with the shimmering highlighter stick. It catches the light beautifully, creating a luminous, dewy glow. Apply it to your high points for an instant lift. This comprehensive trio is your secret to a complete, sculpted, and radiant face. It's convenient, high-performing, and crafted with care. Elevate your makeup routine today. What we like. This trio offers a complete solution for sculpting and defining your face with ease. The certified organic ingredients ensure a gentle application, while the stick format makes contouring, bronzing, and highlighting incredibly simple and blendable. If you're looking for a convenient, natural way to achieve a full face definition, you should consider this. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.